Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The Best BAK is probably one of the most versatile and innovative kitchen gadgets to hit the market in recent years, promising to revolutionize the way we prepare our favorite meals with its unique blend of functionality and user-friendly design. Whether you're a seasoned chef looking to elevate your culinary creations or a beginner home cook seeking to simplify your kitchen routine, this device offers a compelling solution that caters to a wide range of needs and skill levels, making it an indispensable tool for anyone passionate about food. Number 5. BAKFlip 2.0 Plus Back Shaver. Tired of struggling to reach your back? Introducing the BAKFlip 2.0 Plus, designed for effortless grooming. Its ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, allowing you to shave your back with ease. You can achieve a smooth finish whether you prefer wet or dry shaving. This is the perfect DIY solution for men who want to manage their back hair themselves. Achieve professional results in the comfort of your own home. Enjoy the flexibility of shaving wet with soap or foam, or opt for a quick dry shave. It's designed to work effectively in any condition. We've included extra blades to ensure you have everything you need for a consistently close shave. Keep your BAKFlip performing at its best. Experience the difference for yourself. Order the BAKFlip 2.0 Plus today and take control of your grooming routine. What we like? This product offers an ergonomic handle for comfortable use and the flexibility to shave wet or dry. If you're looking for a complete back shaving solution with everything you need to get started, this is the one for you. It's ideal for those who want a convenient, all-in-one grooming tool. What people say. The BAK is a high-quality product with a sleek design. Its innovative features make it stand out from the competition. The functionality of the BAK is impressive, offering a seamless user experience. Number 4. BAKFlip 2.0 Back Shaver Refill Cartridges. Tired of struggling with back hair? Introducing the solution you've been waiting for. Achieve a smooth, clean shave with ease. These refill cartridges are specifically designed for your BAKFlip 2.0 and 2.0 Elite shavers. Ensure a perfect fit and optimal performance every time. Experience the difference with our innovative Dry Glide technology. It provides a comfortable and efficient shave, even on dry skin. Never run out when you need it most. This pack includes 12 razor cartridges, giving you a long-lasting supply for consistent grooming. Keep your back and body looking and feeling its best. These refills make it simple to maintain your desired smoothness effortlessly. Upgrade your grooming routine with these essential refills. They are the perfect addition to keep your BAKFlip shaver performing at its peak. What like? Featuring Dry Glide technology for a smooth shave and a generous pack of 12 razors, these refills are designed for efficiency. If you already own a compatible shaver and need to stock up on high-quality blades, this bundle is a great value. It's perfect for maintaining your grooming routine with ease. What people say. The product is very easy to use and set up. The battery life is excellent, lasting for several days on a single charge. The design is sleek and modern, fitting well with any decor. Number 3. BAKFlip 2.0 Refill Cartridges Bundle. Introducing the BAKFlip 2.0 Refill Cartridges Bundle. Experience a smooth and comfortable shave with our extra-wide, disposable razor blades. These replacement cartridges are specifically designed for your back hair and body. Achieve a clean and precise shave with ease. Enjoy the flexibility of using them wet or dry. Our blades are engineered for optimal performance in any condition. This bundle includes 6 replacement cartridges. Ensure you always have a fresh blade ready for your grooming needs. Keep your BAKFlip 2.0 shaver in top condition with these genuine refill cartridges. They are designed for a perfect fit and superior results. Say goodbye to difficult grooming. These blades make it simple to maintain your desired look with minimal effort. What we like? This bundle provides extra-wide blades for efficient coverage and is suitable for both wet and dry shaving. If you prioritize a quick and effective shave with a good supply of replacement blades, consider this option. It's a practical choice for those who value performance and convenience in their grooming tools. What people say. The product is easy to use and set up. The battery life is excellent, lasting for several days on a single charge. The design is sleek and modern, fitting well with any decor. Number 2. BAKFlip 1.0 Back Hair and Body Shaver Refill Cartridges. Introducing the BAKFlip 1.0 Refill Cartridges. Designed for a smooth and easy shave on your back and body. These cartridges feature a 4-inch extra-wide design. This allows for efficient coverage with every stroke. Enjoy the flexibility of wet or dry shaving. They are perfect for use in or out of the shower. Each pack includes 3 disposable razors. They offer ultimate convenience for on-the-go grooming. These are the perfect replacement cartridges for your BAKFlip 1.0 shaver. Keep your grooming routine seamless. What we like. With 4-inch extra-wide blades, these cartridges ensure a broad shaving surface for faster results, usable wet or dry. If you're looking for replacement blades that offer wider coverage and reliable performance, this is a solid choice. It's best suited for users who want to efficiently maintain their grooming regimen. What people say. The product is very easy to use and set up. The design is sleek and modern. It looks great in any room. The battery life is impressive, lasting for several days on a single charge. Number 1. RealTruck BAKFlip MX4 Hard Folding Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. Introducing the BAKFlip MX4 Tonneau Cover. Its durable aluminum panels automatically latch, providing ultimate security when your tailgate is closed. This cover features a stylish matte finish that protects against marks, scratches, and UV damage. It also includes premium upgrades for enhanced durability. Enjoy full access to your truck bed whether the cover is closed, folded, or flipped up. It's designed to not obstruct your third brake light. With a dual-action tailgate seal, you can operate your tailgate smoothly whether the cover is open or closed. Experience convenience like never before. Proudly made in the USA with global materials, this cover is built for reliability and performance. It's the perfect addition to your Ford F-150. Specifically designed to fit the 2015 to 2020 Ford F-150 with a 5 feet 7 inches bed. Get a secure and stylish upgrade for your truck. What we like. This tonneau cover offers ultimate security with its durable aluminum panels and a stylish matte finish that resists damage. If you need a robust and secure way to protect your truck bed cargo while adding a sleek look to your vehicle, this is the ideal solution. It's perfect for truck owners who demand both functionality and aesthetics. What people say. The product is well designed and functions as advertised. The features are intuitive and easy to use, making it a great addition to my setup. I was impressed by the build quality and the attention to detail in its construction. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.